Now, knowing this information isn't necessarily going to suddenly make building your app and workflows easy. But when you're having those moments where you feel like pulling your hair out or banging your head against the wall, I want you to come back to this and remember what we talked about. Take a step back for a few minutes and remind yourself of this key concept. Then approach the problem with fresh eyes. All right, what we're going to talk about now is something that confuses a lot of people when they start building their apps. And actually, it does more than confuse them. It makes them feel like they don't have as many options as they really do. When developing any feature on Bubble, you need to know you're not locking yourself into those features. It's perfectly fine to change things. Bubble can handle it. For example, maybe you've built your user data type to have very limited personal information, like a first and last name only. But then as you're working through your feature list, you decide that you want to offer text message notifications, which means now you need to have a place to save phone numbers. That's okay. You can go back into your database to add the phone number field, and then go back into your sign up page to add a phone number input. Or maybe after 4 months of already having users signed up to your app, you decide you want to send yourself an email every time a new user signs up. You might think you're just stuck since you never built that feature into your database and form to start with, but it's okay. You can just go back, add it, and adjust the workflow. This type of thing happens constantly. The bigger your app gets, the more a single change will have a ripple effect across designs, databases, and workflows. It's the nature of app development. Plus, when your app is in the hands of users, you'll be getting plenty of user feedback that might make you change the way some things work in your app. If you approach app building with an agile or flexible mindset, you'll feel more comfortable getting things in the app and moving forward faster. You learn the most by doing. In a previous video, when I was talking to you about the strategy I teach for building apps, I mentioned it wasn't rocket science. And if you've been following along with all these steps, you've realized these concepts are actually easy to understand. They're not highly technical at all. But they do make all the difference in the world because they change how you approach the development of your app and the strategies you use while building. It creates a concrete path for your app's progress and removes confusion when it comes to decision making. This is how you build a solid core for your app. It starts with these steps every time.